So thank you very much, Mr. Jobate, for those insightful deliberations. So, talking about um, good governance and sustainable development. So, we've seen young people coming out, mobilizing, trying to hold the government accountable,
Mm.
right, and doing a lot of activism.
Mm.
So, according to you, what do
Mm.
you think is Gala's role? Muna Gala la role in shaping public accountability?
Ghana, because I don't want to make this like a Ghana thing. Um, what Ghana is doing is what every citizen should do to hold the government accountable. And in the case of a government that is so corrupt, like the Gambia government we have now, so inefficient and incompetent, um, you have to get into action because it is not enough just to say it. And we've said this, but it is to get into action, like to protest publicly in the public space, to go to court. These are the two actions each and every government should do. So depending on what you can do, if you can go to court, there are multiple cases to go to court. The Auditor General has just been unconstitutionally dismissed. The matter should go to court. Those who can afford it should go to court. But those who cannot afford to go to court or do not want to go to court, want to protest, let them go and protest. This is the duty of each and every citizen. And if some people constitute themselves into gala and doing that, they are on the right track. Yes. If you and I also consider ourselves into something else and to do that, we are on the right track. But this is what every citizen should do. Because we cannot sit here and allow abuse of the law, abuse of power, corruption to prevail. That is in our to our detriment as citizens. If we allow injustice, illegality, corruption to prevail, it is against the interests of each and everyone. Even the people who are corrupt, sooner or later, they will suffer the consequences. And we have seen that evidence. Because today is Yajame not sitting somewhere out there, frustrated, sending all kind of outrageous audio messages on WhatsApp. I mean, who enjoys that? Who wants to leave your country to go and live in a foreign land, only to send nonsense audios every now and again? Why don't you just come back? You're home. Huh? But he cannot come back. He knows it. How many times is he say, I will come back? And you wonder, okay, what is stopping you now? you know, I mean, because you don't need anybody's permission to come back home. So, but the evidence is there. If you go to mile 2, the NIA 9, they are in mile 2. Huh? Not long ago, Sankoria, Michael Sankoria, John, he is in an American jail, 67 and a half years. So this is not a difficult thing to understand. Yes. So even the people who are corrupt, all right, who abuse rights and violate human rights, you are affected. Yes, today, of course, you will be corrupt and steal public money, and you will go and enjoy
a
fine.
consequences.
But sooner or later, you will pay the price. Yes, I mean, Macky Sall is out there in somewhere in the world running around. But I mean, has he come to Senegal? Yo, so this is the problem. So you whole man get cook collective pour faham. So the more basiri place o bebulu, ibe balafrim kumol fala molye, ibe balafrim manya fala molye because you got all president, you all minister, you all deputy nas, it a position back at title bebulu, isi si tele nyato o radio to, ibe kuma kalantam fala molye, be mol fala wule afoni balafrim kumola. I mean, ibe fanene kan? Yes, ibe fanene kan? But the fana ko mandar sila kay mandar to nyakan. And woman ke kuti merko ako ko to bon o jamfa ko ko man jamfa because adamadu how many years can you live? How many years can you live? 100 years. O man jamfa. Sako do dem bakela. You are 50 years old, you are 60 years old. So you have limited time. Ya jamme is 60 years old today. 22 years have a sirinjang. What the melon goes you even wonder ko ya jamme found another. Yeah. Because akasila ka dia munyala melon ko isi jakali ko ha namerga ala men fo yin kan de lambe 22 years but 22 years ba tambe de kaminda ko among a friend. But then near 22 years is a long time. But today 22 years is a very short time. But ya jamme sita mol nyato bala fereng klu balia. Ya understand? Tilim balia isa mira nyawo nyanne in kenul siti mol nyato kafan ke mole jata kyot. Ha? Fomol kasi kamuna fang ni ya jamme fang tofo ni yirol fang melbe lori nyimbung ibe be rekore iba fala ya jamme. So ya jamme dum kundinati nyin taman serol kono. Nyin taman serol kono dunia kono. Ya jamme mu kundinati mo sikaran no bento. Yo bari bin ngano ya jamme bondi nsita bimbe nyin temboto bi. Mel besiring atele anon tembo dame. Atele anon benke da kono. Atele mem fo ko nyanda benke la. E atele mo ko ala faral kasi ka bala firu samba molka. Mol la banko ko melan ko ite tamu nyi banko di nyame nde tamu di tamu de mbe tamu di idiro an ite nge tombo ne nge ken nan bindanoti. Kare ni mo public officer ti nge ken bindanoti pour do ko ke mol. Ite kasi ika farti. Ikasi ika farti. Asifite ala ite dara dol. Wo andi ko mari karantal. E mari tamata dalo dina ka ta nyame. Ite ba jigire munela. Ite ba jigire munela. But this is the thing. So, gala be menna banko di wodi nyanta jine kala. Ha. Kaji ko tilimbalia ay bo. Kaji ko constitution me lolli ay bunya ay horom. But demu president loi be la na constitution. Loi be la ka fa National Audit Office Act.
Yes.
Ala di akene lankene modo ko nyin kennu mem auditor general ni ba bonde yinom silolti. Ita mujumati ite safu ko ite bakala nyanya ni ite lafta wala ite bata mindo ite lam jumati. So this is the problem. So bangu ni nyanda wula le ye bala ko la ya fo ka ko bay ka ko ka bay yaje ye wuli yeta court ye wuli ye protest mo ye banko bele den tanyin ninga place o di tela ko you are the president or the IGP. That doesn't mean that you banko ida sila do la miro comme na aji be sirin nyame ila miro ite otai yawdu ne loi ko ya fa hana loi ko tan ko mangi to nyati to aji kasi mol ko e benta dulal ika fo wol manyan na ko la mande ma pamito nyini asivite ta nyum banko ben loi be la re ala kenema public assembly nya tala la nyadi ite o long yaje loi to ike nya kasi wala ike fansum loi londi o kono ika fa loi ko tan ila ika be mol fil nandu yemel lo mol ngawle lo ni mol malo ti fam so nyim bala firimle be nyim banko kan ha nyin tilimbalia nyine be banko kan yaje be alon ko mandati be nyine be larin kabrin independent na public officials nyol nyim bala firim ha ka banko ta ka ifan sembentu yande nyala me alon ko loi mafo ka tilimbalia banko ndiwla usata ye banko la nafro yo pisit pasar flo prima be kala nyame ena ko mina sembo sambala mon banko du nyanta baranda wala le ha nyina na promote banko ka definitely.
So itala mira roto ite amera mansakunda was the government very transparent comme ya itani mola yemol kala mutandi jamela properties and assets comme ya wafu nyame the sales of Jammeh's properties. Was the government very transparent?
No, because if they were transparent we would not be here today. I want people to sometimes that's what I say. I don't know. Sometimes in Gambia, I don't think generally people take time to just think a little bit. So I see the parliamentary inquiry and former ministers, current ministers, permanent secretaries, heads of institutions, everybody coming there and trying to pontificate about all sorts of things, processes, laws, institutions, and so on, trying to show how much you know, what your intentions were, and trying to cleanse oneself. But it is all nonsense, because if that were the case, I mean, we would not have come here. You would not have been called before this commission. Yes, because you did not do the right thing. Yes, you did not do the right thing. That is why the Republic had to come out with its report. How did the Republic get that? Because he did not do the right thing. Yes, You did not do anything. And without the Republic coming to tell us what happened, you would not have ever told us. We would have just let this thing go, this looting to remain. Yes. Yeah. But thanks to the Republic, conscious citizens like Gala got up and the youths demanded transparency. It forced the government to set up a parliamentary committee. Today, people appear before that committee trying to tell us how they are saints. They are, impeccable people of, character. When you have responsibility and you feel your responsibility. It's a shame. It's a big shame. So there was absolutely no transparency. All right. What was happening with the Jammeh assets was looting, blatant looting, shameless looting. And they've been exposed. Yes. But you can see how everyone trying to run away from responsibility, trying to, project himself or herself as some kind of saint or some kind of, patriot and all of that nonsense. But if you did what we are supposed to do, would we have got here in the first place? So this is the issue.
Galia ya nyinin karo ni Javiro wala bitaka ne Mr. Jobata tema Mr. Jobata kata fenkola ngaji be ko mantonu banku dingol in menkata galamolti anin banku dingol mel yalon ko lefta banku la nyaato tani banku la kende yala ifindi taka balamba ya itandi purala mende marari internet wala because ye data la fale neta jibe Gambia waro si adam kono akole atala pour moyo bondi wato wati ite bo fara kono ke miri kamen domo studio nol be bataka ifindi de balamba ya itande police ol nate muta kono yodol arrest ye sama mal nate sama court lulu mena ye sama court ni ta jennun kabiye tiaga so fayta fon kita muti membo mul kono andu turota je da fo ye sama loptano do muso fana mbiye menna dum men fana affecta so ite amira mo sakunda de mustaqbil tagan kanyum ko ke fo wala nyanta ko citizen wala fo nyanta tala num may tulla fo jere tan ko da may
so nyimma nyimbe mel la kene watro ay mem bambande nte kat lol fala wato wat na masakunda mampare ka banko doko yaje yes nga president tombone nga député ol tombon yaje nga bunda lo ye minister ta permanent secretary nga governor ye tombon chairperson ni mayor council ye tombon nga nafulo dila banko la depanso yaje nga bunda len londi nga dalilo dila enyanta ila wargalo moment pour yoke bukati yo ne bunda ji me membo ko pura for example bunda lo me alon ko ate banko dingle pura londi pour banko dingle nafa kaje ko moma nimbe GSM internet telephone do ko to bunda to ka awafi molma ay kenya la me alon ko follow ikam service o mendi service o sayat kaje ko nani desi si jang ibe jana nge call ne do ma mbede isi internet sang be bulu ikwebe video jibela ba upload la isi si jang abitala abitala atelo upload no restaurant yo mona sabu and wo GSM company ibebe profit la maker where mitan ko molde e ba sankan ila service ila products mol ba sankan mol be patronage kan wala ba ka profit okay ikan aflo so do bar butum mol mantar da ha so ton kan itel kamen di mol yo ngabunna men londe kaje ko mole proper service so ton o kola da fana ye dia nyala melon ko ni some company e kana mol overcharge ngabunna men londe men kada purati karadola Gambia Competition Commission Consumer Protection Commission imantana do kola pour GSM company be Gamtel Bank Africell Bank QCell Bank Comium ila service ul mambere ni banko ning 400 kilometers banko the fastest distance isi slow mute ikaje tarin naru bi ndiko person fere why yo bunna menyanta wa jarala o mo pura man so kala fo ngamenje pura kasi itel kata company ika low welfare ka banko dul la nafa ka oburka itel ka low welfare alon kuriya man tan wala tilimbal ya man tan wala banko dul bete joka so pura be wala keka ni banko kan pura be ministry men koto ibole ke kanyi banko ka gambe man sakunda ibole ke kay nyaawo jele yo wo internet dum akumata le fa internet la kumaya fumata atel generation la do koto akumata je because wo kono mosi bo kalama membe kering yaji o kono do ko si soda mosi do ko soda nyanda do ko mekkela dol bije itel la do ko mu ka fewon wat nga fonni nge musu jama soda ni kaw na lon ko e ka business work ila WhatsApp status ikela business samba wolto wala de TikTok online business o be mu internet kuret dol be la karaoke ka internet la yaji dol be la karaoke ka wallet yaji molbe nyomoy kan bi nundo Gambia san tambila ni fonko e dembe America wala Europe ila badi bije jannabe ko kala jang sandin ka yo bari bi arsi video ke faal ya fo fele badi me badi ke kam boraba o be internet lo sabu to internet kita kuti me alonko ni nyahdo nyamal mbafala internet kita ko komi fonyo hadamadu fonyo be hadamadu e nyade internet kita banko wo nyade yala hadamadu nima fonyo so te balula yo internet dum anata ke fenti jorante me alonka buko la fonyo to so funding aka balunde le ka business o balundi aka media balundi del melbe do ko la ndi simsa aka na do ko balundi government fawla do ko aka balunda aka yirwande internet kita offensive falet to karaw kara aka do ko ni aka fanunde le a yirwandi aya way so kono aka economy babanda aka economy sembo warande so banko la yirwa mo safo ni fembi ye kuklim bi jabe lori menka is internet wo internet silang Gambia government janta men volantel be lori mento tel Edward Francis Moore Center for Arts and Justice de la lord la ment internet fa janta kala free let because internet mo human right let it's a fundamental human right janta ken na constitution kono ko banko ni woni ye right on the internet access so that Banjul be si miracle ministry of main responsibility internet and pura ibe sanfilo le lon la Banjul Brikama Boraba Basse Kerewan Farafanye everywhere dalon ko internet ni be sila so ko internet je connect nyenta wala mira la sala because wo be yiri wame wulula wo be tambela yo pura mo ko kataka kawke government mo ko kataka kawke sa ni internet da maul be nyo sabala fo dole la price gidde and banko dul be na faka o kono pura kana e ko stop e ko hani wo kana e kana price ni kana jin ya selen mais pour andenga même fo pour la executive director ou le director general men kata Dr. Nyoguba aya dabolale he should resign yaji because Nyoguba te moti membe Gambia hatila membe Gambia diul fasala because wol no la lod lajele ya jame wala ni ya jame kafuta ka banko kasara mo me banko kasara kunu di o me kala banko bari ala kenemat yo bari butum membe sila ko kata mammo bira ko jogu bay ka wala ke place to adama baro wala fay banko kasara so until many man to kono coming wrong going back to tika memfo na masakuna do kulal ka bo president ka da fay duma iman Gambia hati iman Gambia hati ibe ngeke tombo ngeke place to pour ka banko fasa e ka banko na flota ke muna fa wala ke muna fa wala wala tan de nyim banko be nyi al halo tam be nyim nanta abal fa wata bak
molbe siari mem molbe koete wala mel tam bide telefon ko be bulu makamo bela bari mallo ka fonninkel sembentuya ti amre mun nyanda ka silore ka fonninkel sembentuya adu ni na da jiwe banko bank fonninkel they matter a lot in decision making process and sustainable development
by law government responsibility so kaja fonninkel ke sembentuya ki dirwande wala nan di ministry soto membo ko Ministry of Sports Youth and Sports o kola bundal bijele comme NYSS ye bundal soto comme NYC National Youth Council ye project call soto ne comme Melmo Youth Projects for Youth babutung o be kola mel lankene mata wolom ko wol programme wol ni wo bundal bebe nasrin because fuara membe funding ke do do ku soto balia karantaya merda ne sinan e kaje funding ko nangamo membe crime kono membe kata in drugs mel kata backway wo be men lankene ma wolom hanin sai do ko membe tilindi funding ko la dasatale and wo government nyanta tale go back yeta nya jibe katum isisi ika titar ko ha nga nyinke funding ko be nyinke ka funding ko but ninata ko jibe because funding ko be alon ko abe nafa soton kan dulato wotita crime to wotita drugs to wotita back way to so niwo ko be lankene marin ite nyande fanyini ga onde na do ko be dal ku be ta sanin yo baro kola na civil society fana soto yaje mel fana be dending ka funding ko sembentu yake makwe mo fana ni aji be hanin sai ku membe funding ke du asimeta ni dro wolon ko hanin sai wol fana lolu ko be dasare yaje yo bar hani funding ko fana the responsibility bod la funding ko fana le responsibility le soto ko hana madewul ko funding ko kaje yela nafalon ye kata ko ke kaje ko ila nafa ila janto ya kanta ye fa yiriwande so fo manja kunna menkele mawkele bang fo siye sol be menkele mawkele bang fo bunda dol fana janta menkele mawke wa dasata ida fana memo funding kewti la responsibility lo kaje ka ifa yiriwande o fana janta ko fula ay bambam pour funding ko fana ne o fa wala be banko sambala jam
fanan men kita jabanti jang inin sukutankol kenya ku dia modun te tema fo ngaje polisol tata jaban sato kono kadun kordal kono ka moltia gas sayti mundi yamar resbe men dila gambe polisola anin masa ministry men da mararin kenyo la karola anin masakunda
so isi fana fla isi polisol la karo fo den kene ko fo na ni da kene ko to kumen kana jabang ate surprise la because akatale before nadulto tarin akada jabang ana jamal be kema yaje and ube meita ni drone back to ndeka memfo government le mantari la doko and ila doko kono men warta je wolon timbaliati corruption yaje wolom issued so that nina nyin kene ko jiwe government ye lual so don comme state lands act nalon ko abelari nyamen tilimbalia bakon because government like si ye kenota eco layout o eco tourism development area yaje yo kenolta follow ya tale faul tema yaje number 2 ye kenota ya wafi molma eko business long walti o ya dila dala me alon ko aboko drong ye swalale ko because wal mo investol let baro keno me yata eko mita estate le lola jayta estate loje mota yo wafi mo dol mayna sapati ci comme ni esol mil be ye lo fo bruce bi lombam fo ba côté lombam yaja ani comme social security be estate mel local yata mol le bulu family satewol yaji yata melbulu ikaje ko jama me compensate nyala nyalon ko asayata so aminda ko kamol la kenota yaji yew bula fuare yakono yena te wafi ye profito so woto o ya wafi modul ma le profito bondi woto o kono modul lata nan ko estate le so de fay ite company le soto ite de mol la kenol tala wo estate bi taka nyame luwate woto me o senel yaji so TDA comme o fanan iko kabrim ba janjawla kata 800 meters wo mutidi ereti o be masakunda la bul yaji masakunda tata keno la keneti na banko kan na keno banko la keno mu banko dingul le tati melbe sirim banko ila e keno so ne as family as communities as individuals ni masakunda la keno le ita ya wa ita keno sa wolma anduwa fa ala ndu wonyale masakunda la so la keno ma asitala keno ata mobulu bari jante compense na nyala na ka sayata yo so wokono isapita kene jamaka ya jamme for example sapita kene jamaka ngala ko jele wokono kenol menalon ko forest no muti yaje reserve forest nyol ye jamale kontu kono ikedi bisa sonna banko bononde ikawdi bisa sonna yaje na communities nyol fanal wo corruption fanan den na communities nyol kono na alkaloli na communities nyol dan go fanan kade ka kenol wafi private individuals yolma mol ka tay ka si ka fo kenol mu telle tati modol bije wolbe sabati lato you know a beta e ka vol mo dun download mo munalati o keno mo delela itata o ni mun delela not so we be meta ni drong hani sa kene ko mal lan kene ma gambe ja so na farabajele 2018 riot ketaje yeah kene ko because ladi mola pour que business o ladi business company la ka kenyo tawot malon ko ba sa taw di be bonokan sa taw be tinyak wala faraba kelo natina yaji you know hani data sanyang fanan you know katon will be because itata ye lale di company la you know because amanke ninko environment manke kenyo don't come in land but na ba be mun na environment as well ibe tinyaro ke kan na bato na ocean to in Chinese company fanan abilare waya so tilimbali ya jamale benna kene ko to melon ko because manza kunna mampare ka silo tamande yaji and même be nafa ka bumba be mu mansa kunna dewlet kaje ko mansa kunna ite leka kedo tay ka allocate fay president minister deputy permanent secretary director jamale bije ikoyer mansa kunna kono dila why mansa kunna yanda kono dila mola membe do kala mansa kunna ko why mola keno kata kawdi mola because amare mu minister because amare mu president mbama anite ngete tombonde nge ita do kala be joka ita ko lota ita keno sa bagunul be sire nyanta isulata keno la to nyin tilimbali ala be gambe so da nimfreta nyin temboto ni nata police la karoto ani ko warta ba because to nya police e lota la pour kaje ko law and order ay law Cairo sabat but police la doko famfamu menti wolam ka hanamade la nyanto kanta the police mo human rights protection institution so of course setano na beta police nyanta na le law and order maintain but wo kono anyande kala nyala melon ko ibe nyanto kanta le be hanamade yai ba bu nyala so that ibe tala nyame ikana ta nyala melon ko ibe tijaro nati ibe mol la nyantol tinyala ibe mol mantorala an ngaje na gamba police fana nalo ka mandati bila kabri independent ite katama tenne and walat nan de brim fra 2017 iko security sector reform pour tamandi nyaay fane yeah so nim ma manke da sanya o jabang mol ko be sen nañu la je police on yandi tala yaaje ko Cairo sabati setano ya fa bar wo fana fa kono imanyanna nyantol tinyala so ngadi botol men be soton kan yino be tia gas fayla ye mol arrest ye mol lipa anu kusifa dole kuma sifa jama fo melketa ndebe men fana ajiye ye investigation o yele jaman polisol mata je nyame si wati polisol involved ni kusifa kono aji nyata men folo kala wala meleti nyaro ke isi arrest that is fine ye sambas luwas lola yela nyantol bunya o kola ye investigation o open police wala conduct ikata imata nyaadi la nyum ko kono pour kaje ko mantora mankije police wala mamanya ke na kani luwa manta ani naketa police wala melio ke ye sambal luwas lola wala fana mbat ndla banko diwul fana be police wala bunya la banko diwul fana be sunna police wala ma ni police na resi tanko so ndelafta fala aji wolo siloti tanyati taranta nyanta mentala yaji bari kasidron ha ni vandinko criminal lom ye silo jani ay cool keten okay so befo but fanan sinalon ko police fanan ikatilimbali akale ni tata ni ko do manke gambe drot ni police fanan tata ko bita sita no bayra dula do to jan ya fatten ko nata dulato e fu kono ikatinyar jamale o fanan lankana matale police do so investigation on janta kala le kaje ko police on mata nyame fo ndata ni silola ba fe mata ni silola mun tinyar le kita police jumal le okay an me janta kala ye wo ko court bar jama wala buka kenyim bako so police on be tilimbali ala do wato ngaje pura protest tilimbali ya menkije ngaje le attorney general auditor general la ko protest menke tilimbali ya menkije ngaje tilimbali ya menke magistrate court fo tiya gas fay mol kan comme ya fo nyame muso bi jana de o na man bala protest nde brie samba Westfield mbe lari name mo saba ne musu fulale bije musu do mbe melo bar musu do ko koate nata pharmacie do kaboro sa ndefa ngamara musu fala le because wala condition be jaa wo serious ba ke la condition yaji akate nata pharmacie le kaboro sa ani nyim ko ben so international law ay tear gas ban le ka use during war ako tear gas used during civilian purposes for law and order but I conditional landing in terms of how tear gas nyanta use because tear gas ala use nyanta make sure a cannot unnecessary damage caused to the community so the other to a civilian community coming jaba it after drone no ngole bore du d'accord la kono so me korda be tear gas tare no international law bayne because o korda kono dindu bije kebal bije modo bije asmane bala oda conditions babala bari men fa do korda kono wol dama brañu ko it all punish no la because it go dol nda o korda kono yetti gas fay o korda kono walante yetti gas fay silo kan ko ha silo kan no nyad but fonyo bita ka nyame te mo ko be koros tear gas asamba do bala be dum ko asamba so tear gas use bu ko di melon ko international law police do yo lonne mo yo control battle bari ibu ko hati so kan yin tilimbali yake an ngaw yin jele tarin police ko tilimbali yake right so this is the problem so I hope the IGP ab investigation o yela kan yin ko kisi itella officers ñol imata ñame foyni loi ni human rights standards tatale bamfana manta de lafta IG lafta dudo la kan ayo ko